Here I've got HUAWEI Honor 20 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick system. Then go to the about phone, so it's the very first tab, scroll down a bit, and now just keep tapping on build number until you see the notification that you've just become a developer. So just keep tapping. And as you can see, you are a developer now. Let me go back. Now you will find those options just under simple mode. So here you've got the developer options, which lets you configure system behaviors that help you profile and debug your app performance. So truly advanced options, very useful features, you can use them all. And then you can switch off developer options simply by tapping on this switcher. And now, as you can see, they disappeared. So that is all. This is how you can enable and use developer options in your HUAWEI Honor 20. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.